Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex analysis playlist on my channel for the analysis of other pairs. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of USD CAD in front of us right now. Yes, I'm in my favorite 4 hours time frame. If we look at the chart, then we can easily see that this market is in uptrend following a trend line as a support, blah blah blah. Things are very beautiful on the chart, but there are many hidden complications in the chart that we must focus on. So let's find out. So one thing is clear to us, that this market is an uptrend. If you look at the chart, then it seems that, or it looks that this market is in beautiful uptrend, no doubt about it, following this trend line as a support, which means that whenever price is coming down, it is getting the required support from the trend line and it is bouncing off. But if we look at this particular portion of the chart here, okay, you can see that though market is standing at the trend line, or though market is standing at the support here, but still market is not going up, or still market is not bouncing. You can see that previously here, after 3-4 candles, market bounced. Here after 5-6 candles, 7 candles, market bounced. Here after one hit, market bounced. But here you can see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 blah blah, many too many candles, but still market is just standing at the support level. Try to understand the market psychology here. Generally, what does the basic rule of the market says? It says that buy at support, sell at resistance. But we can see that market is just standing at the support, but market does not have the strength to go up. Try to understand the market psychology. The bulls, the buyers, does not have the required strength to take the price upward. As a result, market is just lying at this support here. And whenever we get a scenario like this, there is a possibility that market will give you a downward move, or market will break the support. And in the market also, there is a theory that whenever market market test a level, or if you see market testing a level too much, or if a level becomes very common for the market, then market usually breaks the level. Suppose there is a support in the market is coming down, going up, coming down, going up, coming down, going up. At one point of time, this level loses its strength, and at one point of time market will break the support. It happens with the resistance also. So here you can see that though market is standing at the support level, but still market is not going up, which clearly means that something is wrong with the market. Is not it? Yes, something is wrong with the market. On the other hand, you can see that I have also got a line here, line drawn here, and the main significance of this line is that it belongs to the weekly chart. So this is the weekly chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar. Okay, let me remove the drawing. So you can see that in the weekly chart things have changed. In the 4 hours chart, the chart seemed very beautiful, very bullish. There was no complication on the chart. But if we look at the weekly chart here, then we can see that yes, undoubtedly market is trying to go up, or market is bullish. But previous week you can see that when market tried to go up, it faced severe resistance or selling pressure from above, and as a result market form a shooting star kind of a pattern. And whenever we get a shooting star kind of a pattern, it clearly signifies that there were sellers present in the market and they did not like the price. As a result, they pushed the price and market formed a shooting star pattern. And ultimately and ultimately market had to close below the resistance level, and the resistance level is still intact in the market, because market failed to cross the resistance previous week. And this week you can see that market is just standing below the resistance level. So as a result, though the market seemed very beautiful, very simple on the 4 hours chart, but yes, there are some complications, there are some levels in the market that we cannot ignore. So I'll strongly recommend you not to buy here. This is your no trading zone, because see, right now market is following this trend line, though market is standing at support level, but still I will not say you buy, because first of all market does not have the strength right now to go up, and secondly we have a resistance here at 1.2610. This is a resistance level on the weekly chart. Therefore my dear friends, do not mess with this level, and do not trade as long as market is trading in this range. And as we all know, it has got huge correlation with the DXY chart or the US dollar chart. And you can see that US dollar chart, okay, this is the US dollar chart here, and US dollar chart has just breached the support here. As we all know, dollar is bullish right now. The chart of dollar is bullish, there is no doubt about it. But right now US dollar is facing some selling pressure in the market, and therefore USD CAD is also not in the position to go up. As a result, if we consider all the factors here, then you should not go for buy at USD CAD here, because I'm not saying that there will be a trend reversal in the US dollar chart. Okay, I'm not saying anything like that. Okay, in case there is a heavy selling pressure in the chart, then we will see selling pressure in the USD CAD chart also. But right now dollar is not, dollar looks bearish. Okay, there is selling pressure going on in the market. Until and unless dollar reverses or bounces from this trend line, we will not see, good buying power in the chart of USD CAD as well. So my opinion is simple: just do not trade USD CAD here. Okay, if it crosses here, if it crosses this level, just go to the chart of DXY, just check the US dollar index. If you see that dollar is going up or dollar has bounced, then you can buy here, buy above here. But you must consult DXY, the chart of US dollar, then only go for buy above this level. Otherwise do not buy, because DXY is facing selling pressure right now, and whenever USD goes up, USD can also goes up. So this is it. So hopefully I've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care and see ya tomorrow. Bye bye.